That's supposed to be about, baby. Go free up your eyes, stop acting crazy.
Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do the slide flip text transition. So basically you're going to have your first word in the beginning and make it as long as you want, and you're going to duplicate the word as much times as many counts. It's hard to explain, but basically if you have 5 letters in your word, you're going to duplicate the word 5 times, so that way you have 5 separate letters. So if you have 4, you duplicate the word 4 times. If you have 3 letters, you duplicate the word 3 times, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to match them all under each other, and I'm going to crop each one to have 1 letter in it. So the first one will have the first letter, second one will have the second letter, third one will have the third letter, so on and so forth. So I'm going to be cropping my E, my L, and my O. So you're basically going to do the same thing for your other word that you're going to be writing. So once I finish doing this, I'll be right back with you guys. So guys, I'm back, and now, as you can see, they're in the same position. Basically, that's what you want. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on each letter or text, whatever, and you can put this circular thing on letter. So my first letter here is H, so I'm putting the circular thing on the letter H. And this word here is E, and I'm putting the circular thing here on E. And I'm going to do this with my first L and my second L. This isn't in the same, this isn't in the directly on the tip, but it's close enough. So don't be holding it. I'm going to do the same thing with the O, so on. So guys, once I've done this and all the circular things are on the letter, you're going to go to the first text and you're going to add a custom transition. And you're going to check it all the way to the end. So you're going to go to the second arrow and you're going to drag the thing onto the circle. The circle is directly in the middle. And you're going to select circular end. So now you're going to do this for all of them, for all of the first words. So basically all of these here. You can do that for all of them on this side. Do that, this is what it should look like. And now you're going to go to the second side and you're going to tap on the word, and you're going to add custom transition, and you're going to add to the beginning. Now you're going to go to the first arrow and you're going to slide the word until it's directly in the middle, and you're going to select the ease and type circular up. And you're going to do that for all the words that are on this side.
Remember, everything will be alright. We can meet it.
I disabled them, but my phone's giving me some serious problems, so sorry about that. But now, ease and type. This is what it should be. That was what it should look like. If you want to be faster than that, you should probably cut it, maybe transition shorter. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and have an amazing day. Bye!